Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Super Game Box 400 in one game. This is not working, this is completely dead. So let's see whether I can fix this. So I'm going to take out, this is the fresh piece but it has issue. This is the accessories and the game console itself. It is not working, it's not turning on. I see the charging jack is not there. I think that is broken. Anyways, let's tear this down and see what is the exact problem. So to tear this down, we have to take out these 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the housing for the battery. So I'm taking out the battery first. So now I'm going to unscrew this. This is very famous game actually. I used to play when I was kid. So screws are removed. Now I'm just going to take out this carefully because the LCD is there might be strip below this board. So there is one screw here, so I'm going to take out this screw. That's it. So I'm lifting carefully. I'm not sure whether the flex cable is there this side or that side. It's that side. So this is the LCD display. Here you can see here the charging port is broken and went inside. It is just stuck to this magnet. So this is the problem. Because of this the device is not charging, I guess. That is the guess. So let's resolder this and try whether this is charging and turning on or not. So now I am taking out the speaker wire here so that I can solder the micro USB port properly. I'm not going to take out the flux cable because the quality of this is very low, I think. So because of that I don't want to take out flex cable, and now I am going to solder this pin, micro USB pin, and see whether this turns on or not. So here I have to place it and I will solder this and come back. So I have soldered this pin. I'm showing you in the close-up. You can see the pin is soldered perfectly. Now I have taken the LCD because I don't want to break it, so I have removed the LCD. Now I am going to place it back to this FFC socket. So the LCD is fixed. Now it's time to solder this speaker wire. Plus will go to plus here, minus will go to minus here. So alright, now it's time to position this properly, and I'm going to close this. So alright, I have positioned this, screwed it. Now I'm going to place this switch plastic which controls the on off switch, but the switch is broken here, so it will not work, but it is already turned on, so no need of this because the switch is broken. Anyways, now I am going to close this housing here. I am going to put one screw so that I can see whether this turns on or not. And before that I want to check the voltage of the battery here. So what is the voltage of the battery? That is very important because without 3.7 volt at least it will not turn on. So let's see what is the voltage here. So yeah, voltage is dropped because there was no charge for long time, I think. So 3.29 is there. So no problem. Now I'm going to put it. Even after installing this, it will not turn on. Connect the charger here, USB cable. So yeah, it is now working. Brightness has increased. So I'm just playing something. This is Mario, which is famous, very famous. So you can select here. So this is the first. You can see. So it is working perfectly. So it is charging, I think. Because of that only it is working. So now if I take out, yeah, you can see the charging light is here. So I want to show it. So here the red light is coming here, some color light is there, so that means it is charging. When I think you may not be able to see that, but when I remove this, that light goes off. So charging is perfect. So alright, that's it. The game is working perfectly. So it's time to put this cover. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching. Bye.